What is up guys, Nelson here back with another video. In today's video I'm gonna unbox the QKZ DM-10 Type-C which I have bought from my OnePlus 8 as you can see. So let's see what's in the box. So this is pretty much it as you saw. There is a magnet and that's good to have. My reviews or thoughts on it will be coming soon. Thanks for watching. Yes. And yeah, by the way, for your knowledge, I have bought this from Facebook shop called Rashai Tech. Their Facebook groups link and pages link and link of the product will be in the description below. And disclaimer alert, this video isn't sponsored by Rashai Tech. I'm just giving or mentioning them for your help. Again, this video isn't sponsored by Rashai Tech. That's been it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.